Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to a Stadium Help tutorial guide. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to buy VIP packages through the Ticketmaster website. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do this. If you scroll over to the top bar here, see beside family, in between deals is VIP. If you click on that, it's going to show you a bunch of different featured offers that the website is going to let you know about. You can go over here to music packages, sports packages, arts and theater, family. If you click on the music, should load every one in your area. If you go over here to find tickets, click on that show, it'll let you know how to get those VIP package tickets, or else you can just type into the top here who you're looking for. So let's type in JT. Alrighty, so that loaded here. So we're gonna go and click see tickets here for the Air Canada Centre. It's going to open up his show on that date. We'll just skip that step. If you go here, it's going to show you in blue all of the open seats that they have. Over on the right, you can sort by lowest price, best seats. So if you're looking for VIP, if you click type here with the little ticket button, you can actually click off which tickets you're looking for. So if you're not looking for the standard and you're just looking for the VIP, you can click off what you are actually looking for. And when you click out of there, it's going to reset and load for exactly the tickets that you are looking for. And it'll also update on the map in blue what is available. If you click over here, best seats, it should show you what the best seats available are. As you can see, there is a general admission floor party pit VIP ticket for $849. If that's what you're looking for, that's what you would do. And those are kind of the different ways that you can buy the VIP packages through the Ticketmaster website. If you guys are looking for any other tour guides, anything to help you out, make sure to check out stadiumhelp.com. It's got lots of guides. If you don't see one on there that you're looking for, let us know on Twitter, Facebook. We can definitely help you out with that.